Okay, so this is the day 3 of our trading, and before we actually dive into the trade, I quickly want to show you what are the things I will be looking at, and I will show you how I mark my zone. So as you can already see, like we marked this 1 hour zone 2 days ago, and still the market is respecting that zone, and I'm still trying to look if I can find anything within this area. So I don't see anything in 4 hour. I'll go to 3 hour. I see a little bit of this one, but I need something stronger than that. So I'll go to 2 hour. Okay, I'll try to mark this one. And we say this one is 30 minutes. And since I cannot find anything within this range, I'll try to go lower than 30 minutes. Let's see if I have something in 15 minutes. See, even the 15 minutes is the same one. And I see like values market is expecting this one. If it breaks this one, I might try to look for the short opportunity. Other than that, I don't see anything yet. Let's say 10 minutes. Do I have anything? Nothing in 10 minutes as well. I like this area as there is a lot of volume, but nothing that I want to mark right now. Okay, let's try to work with this one. So just to remind you one more time, this is day 3 of our implementing our blueprint. If you haven't watched that video what we are trying to do, I highly suggest you to go ahead and watch our blueprint video. Okay, I can see the price is falling from that level we drew, so I will be interested in taking the short if we can break that level. And just trying to follow the plan. No more than 3 trades, no more than 4 micro contracts. Okay, I'll go ahead and start with short position.
Order submitted.
I just entered the short. Enter it. 8:30. Something like this. Try to do this one. Something like that. So I just started with 2 micro contracts. Just a little bit because we might get fake out over there. So 60. But that did not work out because the market is pushing really. I need to break the zone. So it's breaking the block. I will see if we can keep pushing. Go internal. Market is things. I like that rejection, and see if it can cross the VWAP one more time. If it does, I'll be interested in taking the short as well, but like if it doesn't, then it will definitely go up. We can wait for this level to see how it reacts to that level. No need to rush the trade. Now we can see how this price react to this level. Do we get anything? It's the shorter time frame, so I don't have much expectation, but it does have some volume, but it might just break it through. Okay, so we have news at 9, so we have to be very careful with that. So that's why this volatility. Okay, I'll try to go for the short with a small contract, just 2 mini contract. I mean, sorry, 2 micro contract. We are not trading mini. Okay, I'll add 2 more.
Order submitted.
So first TP will be our VWAP. Okay, so just cross our first TP, and now we have to wait for it to break the VWAP. And as you know, I'll move our stop loss a little bit, but not by much. So it already crossed our first TP, and we are waiting for our second TP. Our second TP that, okay, so this one we want to make it more bigger than this because we want our profit to be bigger. Okay, I like that one. Our second will be 840. It's 425. Okay, that's our second TP, and the last one will keep here. So as you can see, the previous one we only had 2 micro contract, and it was around like $40 loss. But this one, if we can get it till our last take profit, it will be a good profit trade actually. I'll try something new. For the last contract, I'll try to keep it really big because I think it has the potential to fall further than this second TP. So why we want to leave like profit on the table? Let's try that one. And once we hit our second TP, we'll just move our stop loss into the profit. Okay, we are about to hit our second TP. Remember, if we hit our second TP, we will move our stop loss into profit, or at least to the break even, depending on how the market is moving. and we have news in 9 minutes, so I want this trade to execute before that 9 minutes. I don't like where it is going, and we have a news in 2 minutes, so I'm confused whether I should close it or let it run. We are at the break even right now. Because I don't like to trade the news. And I'm seeing all the seller on footprint. So even though the market is pushing right now, it might drop actually. But I don't know whether it will drop immediately or it will go for a little bit high and then it will start to fall. I'm not sure about that. I'll minimize my stop loss. Just push it a little bit. Oh, it's not letting me. Okay. Okay, I'll keep it there so that even if we lose like very less amount. That's I don't like about the news. Okay, it might look we have it's still struggling. I'm still in the trade. I just want to show you that it didn't touch that one. I didn't properly mark the stop loss in here, but I am still not 100% confident about this one. It might go back and touch that one, so I'm not too worried about it. Okay, since market was not able to push it rapidly, I'll try to keep our stop loss at the same place where it was originally. And see if we can get that drop. I see a lot of buyers stepping in. Okay.
Order filled.
Okay, so that was a losing trade.
Order filled.
That's fine.
Order filled.
I could have just exited the trade before the news, but that's on me. So and it's still going to do that. Okay, so the second trade was like half winner half loser, so I'm still interested in taking the short, so I'll go ahead and take the short if I get the confirmation, and that will be our last trade. Okay, I'm in the
Order
short right
filled.
now.
Order filled.
And I'm trying to go something big right now. So I got the trade at 773, that's right. Okay, we just hit our first take profit, and now we'll move our stop loss into break even. Let's do this to the break even, so we don't have to worry about losing this trade anymore because we already hit our first take profit. Now we have another one at 825 and the last one at 811. Okay, so we just hit our stop loss on that one as well, and I told you, like, trading during the news is not a good idea. So that will be all actually. Even though I'm pretty sure the market will drop, but that's totally 100% fine, because like biggest thing you can do as a trader is like having that mindset where you are willing to accept your lessons. So once you are in that position where you understand like losing is a part of the game, that will change your trading thing. Before, what I used to, as soon as I used to start losing, I used to sit and used to blow all my account trying to recover that. Never do that. It's not a big deal. See, the first trade we took was like just 2 micro, so we were able to preserve, so it was not a bigger loss. So second one we were able to hit our first TP, and the third one we took the first TP, and the we did not lose anything on this one actually, because like as soon as we hit our first TP we moved our stop loss to break even. So it was overall the nice one. Let me tell you how much. So overall we are at $123 loss. So that's not a big deal. $123, and we have tomorrow we'll come back, and I'm really glad that we lost, because every time I lose I become more humble and I come stronger tomorrow, and I try to take the trade that make more sense. I did make some mistakes today while trading. I was trying to rush into the trade, and I was having the bias, and it's still working, and it's not my strategy, it's not my plan, it's the market right now, so we have to accept that one. I just wanted to show you like how the market dropped from the level we decided. If we would have left the stop loss at its original price, it would have gone in our direction, but that's totally fine. And sometime market will definitely go for the stop hunt, so that's totally normal. It's not a big deal. We always have tomorrow. We'll come back, and as I already mentioned, I had my 3 trades. I had 123 or something dollar loss, but it's not a big deal because for the first 2 days we had a profit, and having $100 around $100 loss is not a big deal. But I just wanted to show you this, like if we would have left our stop loss at the original price, we would have got this trade as well. But it's a good lesson to learn, and we'll definitely keep that in mind for the next time. So I will see you for the day 4. If you haven't watched my video about the blueprint, and also I have dropped a new video yesterday about supply and demand, so you can see how I mark my all this zone. So you saw that as soon as it touched this level, it dropped. Yesterday the market touched this level and is continuously dropping. So understanding this is very helpful, and I have explained that in detail, and I'll leave the link for that video as well in the description. So I'll see you tomorrow.